Hi, welcome to the Lighthouse. You are going to answer 30 multiple choice questions. Please comment on your score end of the video. Best of luck. What is an antonym for sabotage? The answer is support. What is an antonym for contemplate? The answer is neglect. What is an antonym for evade? The answer is confront. What is an antonym for contradict? The answer is corroborate. What is an antonym for emphasis? The answer is minimization. What is an antonym for copious? The answer is sparse. What is an antonym for turbulent? The answer is glassy. What is an antonym for negotiate? The answer is refuse. What is an antonym for defiant? The answer is apologetic. What is an antonym for amend? The answer is worsen. What is an antonym for brusque? The answer is verbose. What is an antonym for desolate? The answer is populous. What is an antonym for rival? The answer is ally. What is an antonym for veracity? The answer is falsity. What is an antonym for gratification? The answer is discontent. What is an antonym for appease? The answer is frustrate. What is an antonym for flaunt? The answer is hide. What is an antonym for pristine? The answer is dirty. What is an antonym for retain? The answer is alter. What is an antonym for zest? The answer is distaste. What is an antonym for sedulous? The answer is nonchalant. What is an antonym for beneficial? The answer is detrimental. What is an antonym for fervor? The answer is apathy. What is an antonym for insolent? The answer is polite. What is an antonym for propitious? The answer is adverse. What is an antonym for fecund? The answer is infertile. What is an antonym for infallible? The answer is flawed. What is an antonym for abscond? The answer is appear. What is an antonym for esoteric? The answer is common. What is an antonym for soporific? The answer is invigorating. Hey everyone! Thanks for participating in today's quiz. Please don't forget to share your scores in the comments below. We love hearing how you did and what you found interesting or challenging. Also, if you enjoyed this quiz, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you won't miss out on our future quizzes and educational content. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.